I'm actually a chemistry major, and at UC Santa Barbara we have a Society of Cosmetic Chemists charter, and so I found out about this Suppliers Day through them. Like, I feel like as a student, when you're starting to get involved in things like this, there's no like guideline. Like, nobody tells you this is what you do, this is where you go, this is who you talk to. So it's interesting to be here and to have the opportunity, kind of a free opportunity at that, to go around and talk to people and just see how they got in, how they got their feet wet, things like that. It was really nice, actually. And then I spoke to a few of the people walking around. It seems like there's really a lot to do in this industry. It doesn't really get repetitive, which is what I like. I started as a chemistry major. I didn't really have a super strict direction. I just knew that I liked chemistry, and I figured, you know, everybody needs a chemist. I can do whatever with a degree. But the farther I get in my degree, especially taking organic chemistry, that's really where my interest lies. So cosmetics just kind of seems like a nice branch of that. But this definitely gave me a little bit more perspective, which I appreciate.